When leopard geckos first hatch, they are about 3¼ to 3½ inches. This is a particularly small one. They weigh about 2½ to 3 grams. They have a very slow growth rate, so it takes about 18 months to reach full adult size, which is just under, or just over actually, 8 inches. The maximum weight for an adult leopard gecko, well, the average weight for an adult leopard gecko is about 40 to 60 grams, anywhere in between. I believe the record for the heaviest leopard gecko was 100 grams, which is very large for this species. Leopard geckos do have a very long lifespan. They will live approximately 20 years or so. The record age for a leopard gecko is 28 years. The females do tend to have a shorter lifespan. I believe the record for a female is just over 22 years. So this is definitely an animal that you're going to have a companionship with for a very long time. As far as trying to figure out the sex of your leopard gecko, you want to look at the frame of your leopard gecko. The males will tend to have larger heads and thicker necks. It's a little harder to tell at this age, but hatchlings just over a month old, just about a month old, can be sexed by trying to determine whether or not they have the anal pores that males have. Now, they all have little dots down there, but on the males, they are enlarged. On males, they are enlarged and they are obvious at 1 month of age. This happens to be a female, so I'm unable to show you what those pores look like. But if you can kind of tell, she's got a little V shape, just a trace of a line right here. This would be a lot more prominent if she was a male. Also, the males tend to get larger. Males will also have bulges underneath their tail, which is actually their hemipenises inside of their body. If you were to just turn them backwards and lift their tail, then you would be able to see this in a male. Here I can't give you an example because she's a female, but you can especially see these bulges in the adult leopard geckos. Then it's then that they become very prominent.